Now that you've chosen to map some townlands on OpenStreetMap, I'm going to show you first how to determine if there's been any townlands mapped in the area that you want to map in, and second, if there's actually a sheet available for you to trace townlands from. So the first resource we're going to look at is maps.openstreetmap.ie/OOC maps. And that's out of copyright maps. Through a very kind donation from Trinity College Dublin, we've been given a donation of 650 plus sheets of 6-inch maps, which if I zoom in here, I don't know how well this will go now with my connection, so it might take a minute to load. But you will see hopefully now if this loads. These sheets go into very fine detail, down to the level of walls in fields and small streams and ditches. So they're very good quality maps for tracing out townland boundaries. So if you want to actually trace some townlands, first you need to see if there's any been traced in your area, because for example in Fermanagh every townland's already been traced, so there'll be no need. So on this map server, what we have over here on the right hand side is a small little white cross. Click on that and I'll just turn off the sheets layer and I'll turn on this one here, OSM IE Townlands. And what you'll see, hopefully if my connection works, I'll just switch this background layer to OpenStreetMap so as you can see clearer. Where you see all these grey areas, this is where townlands have been mapped already. So I'll just switch back again and turn those off and turn back on the sheet layer. And I'll just turn on the townlands layer again. So you can see in certain parts there are townlands mapped. Again, using Fermanagh as an example, all the sheets are there and all the townlands have already been mapped. Now you'll see certain places where there are no sheets, but there are townlands. The sheets for those are hosted on a different server, so they don't show on this layer here. So, for example, if you wanted to map townlands down in Cork, and there's no sheets available there for you to trace from, how you actually go about requesting them, or actually identifying which sheet you need, this background layer here is the index sheet which all other maps are overlaid on. So for example here, it's not very clear to make out, but it's 14/11, this one is 17/11, 20/11. So going back to this one here, 14/11, how you would actually request a sheet from here is you actually ask for 14/11 and either northwest, southwest, northeast, southeast. So it will be 14/11/southeast, and that will let the person know which sheet you're looking for. Now, how you actually request those sheets then is if you go to, again, the OpenStreetMap wiki and go to the Ireland page, you'll see a section here for contacting Irish mappers. Two of the best resources for contacting Irish mappers is the OpenStreetMap, the Irish OpenStreetMap mailing list. If you click here, it'll bring you through to this page here, and all you do is sign up for it here, and then you'll be able to send an email and requesting the sheet that you're looking for. Usually within 24 hours your sheet should be uploaded, and from that point then you will be going on to cropping and rectifying, and those will be in the next episodes. For more information on mapping townlands in Ireland, go to the OpenStreetMap wiki and search for mapping townlands, and on the search page you will see a link to the main section and also to the Townlands video series. On the Townlands video series section, you will find a summary for each episode, links to each individual episode, and also a list of links for any software or websites mentioned in each episode.